Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Maserati Ghibli. Remote starting your luxury sedan provides incredible convenience, allowing you to precondition the cabin to a comfortable temperature before you even step inside. Whether it's a chilly morning or a hot afternoon, you can ensure your Ghibli is ready for your drive. We'll cover two main methods: using your key fob and leveraging the advanced Maserati Connect application. Let's get started with the key fob method first. To remote start your Ghibli using the key fob, begin by making sure all your vehicle's doors are securely closed and locked. Next, press the lock button on your key fob one time. Immediately after, locate the remote start button, often marked with a circular arrow or a 2-time symbol, and press it twice within a 3-second window. Your Maserati Ghibli's engine will then start, and the climate control system will begin adjusting the cabin temperature to your last setting. For an even more integrated experience, utilize the Maserati Connect app. Simply download the application to your smartphone or smartwatch and log in with your credentials. From the app's main screen, select your Ghibli and tap the remote start icon. This sends a command to your vehicle, initiating the engine. For added convenience, you can even link your Maserati Connect account to smart home devices, allowing you to start your car with a simple voice command from inside your home. Here are some important tips for using your remote start feature. Once activated, your Ghibli's engine will typically run for approximately 15 minutes before automatically shutting down to conserve fuel and for safety. Remember, the remote start function is designed to operate only when you are outside the vehicle. To turn off the engine remotely before the 15-minute timer expires, simply press the remote start button on your key fob or within the app 2 times again. Always ensure a good signal for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.